In today's video, I will teach you how to properly adjust the white balance in Lightroom. Let's get started. Adjusting the white balance in Lightroom is essential for achieving accurate colors in your photos. You can start by importing the photo that you want to edit and opening it in the Develop module. In the basic panel on the right side, you'll find the white balance section. The primary controls here are the Temp and Tint sliders, along with the drop-down menu for preset white balance options. And here's how to use the white balance selector tool. First, click on the white balance selector or the eyedropper icon located next to the white balance drop-down. Then move the selector over an area in your photo that should be a neutral gray or white. Then click on it to adjust the white balance automatically. Now we're going to fine-tune with the Temp and Tint sliders. Adjust the color temperature sliders from cooler or blue to warmer or yellow. You can slide left for a cooler or bluer tone, and slide right for a warmer or yellower tone. And you can adjust the tint slider for the green to magenta balance. You can slide left for a greener tone, and slide right for a magenta tone. If you're working with portraits, ensure the skin tones look natural. You can fine-tune the Temp and Tint sliders to correct any color cast on the skin. You can also use the backslash key to toggle between the original and the adjusted versions of your photo. Properly adjusting the white balance in Lightroom ensures your photos have accurate and pleasing colors. By using the white balance selector and fine-tuning sliders, you can correct color casts and enhance the overall look of your images. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.